Thank you,
You
dear.
just on there. There was I think 500 people.
Look, t-shirt वाली.
Yeah, there were many people. I was
17.2K.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, JR. Thank you so much, JR.
I love you, JR sir.
I love you, JR. Love you.
Your creativity is endless.
Thank you, Abhishek. ये खाकुर है. This chips.
This is Chinese chips, I think.
Thank you.
Cute.
Thank you. Snacks to Narayan. Thank you, JR. Thank you, JR. I love you. That's enough. Thank you.
Which country is that? Is it UK?
Thank you, JR. I love you. Susan, कहाँ जाते हैं? नहीं जाऊँ. मत जा. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, Raju. Manjeet. Thank you, Manjeet.
Thank you, Manjeet.
Once a husband.
The white t-shirt was one for you. Is that in the city?
Yes, it's so thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Out.
Thank you, Manjeet. Thank you, Hadrian. Thank you, Hadrian. Thank you. Hi, Srilal. For the white shirt, white t-shirt को ले ला छपेदी. कौन है? मैं ले रहा. मैं तो white shirt देखा है तो. क्या ब्रांड है?
डर लाग्यो प्रपोज गर्ने रहेछ
तिमीलाई कसैले गर्दैन बुझ्यौ. तिमीले विश्वास घात गर्दै
होइन गर्छ बारे
के रे विश्वासले नि गर्छ के रे. JR is number 1 maybe. JR is number 1.
Yes,
Thank you, JR.
number one gifter and we love you, JR.
He loves me. Yes.
He loves Pooja.
Yeah. He loves.
How old are you, Mr. JR?
JR, talk with me. I'm missing you.
JR ले गिफ्ट मात्रै पठाउँदै रहेछ, बोल्दैन रहेछ.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Switzerland. Hello.
He's 24. Good. Very good.
Yeah.
Very young.
I'm not. Yeah. Thank you, JR.
Innocent,
Love you.
bro.
I love you so
JR,
much.
you are in a very good age. Like,
You love
ice cream, but I love you more. Oh.
Thank you, Mr. Abhishek.
Full mom, full respect, beautiful queen.
Thank you, Subham Nepal.
Who's the lady holding cup?
Chips.
Yes, sorry, chips.
Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you for the ice cream that you have been giving us. We love you. Abhishek.
Where is my Achivar? Where is Achivar?
Achivarलाई खोजेछ Achivar छैन.
Guys, तपाईँहरू कहाँ कहाँबाट हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? You are the medicine to every pain, beautiful queens. बेसी जाने हो नजाने. I feel